Relieving knee pain in bed is a common problem that patients have. They're finally trying to get home and get some sleep or some rest, and they're having trouble getting comfortable. They may have an ongoing knee problem, and it's really rearing its ugly head when they're in bed and they're not sure why. And before you run out and buy a new mattress or new pillows and new everything, it's a good idea to maybe consider a couple of stretches or some tips just before getting into bed. If you have an exercise program that you're doing and there's one or two exercises that give you the most relief, my suggestion is, number one, is to do them right before bed. The pain in your knee is there while you're in bed because of maybe some too much activity during the day, or maybe too much sitting during the day, and you haven't quite relieved it from all those activities, and now you're suffering while you're in bed. So maybe stretching just before getting into bed is one tip. Icing just before getting into bed is another tip. If you know you have a knee problem that requires ice, or if you're literally having pain before getting into bed even, that could be another tip or another suggestion. And lastly is just using some pillows and some props and some towels while you're in bed. If you're a back sleeper, you might want to consider putting some pillows or towels down by your ankles. The thing about the towels by your ankles is you want to try to promote knee extension when you're in bed, especially on your back. That's what your knees are asking for when they're aching when you're lying there. So a simple towel roll down by your ankle can be helpful. If you're a side lier, you might want to put a pillow in between your knees just to give them some support as well. But between the exercises and some ice prior to going to bed, or even positioning your knees in a better place while in bed, can be the first things to think of before you run out and buy a mattress, buy a firmer mattress, or other things that you might think are better for you.